Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. This one is quite a tricky one, so you're going to have to bear with it and be very patient. First, what you need to do is remove this cover here, first off with the Volvo badge, and then to remove this cover here to gain access to the battery. So first we slide this black catch over here to remove this cover here with the Volvo badge on it. So you slide it over, to remove the cover. Now what you need to do is slide over this catch here to remove this back cover. Like so. And now you need to get your flat-headed screwdriver, and in this indentation here, slide it over to the open position, like so. Now you get a smaller screwdriver and just get underneath the cover and prise it open. And there is your key fob battery. You just need to remove it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get a new key fob battery and we just pop it into the housing, like so, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. We get our screwdriver again and we just put it into the lock position. And now we get the casings. The casings you need to pop in first, the bottom bit here with the fat cover at the bottom, else it will never go in place. And you need to also slide the clip over as well, which is here, before you do it, to lock it in place, like so. Now we get the other side of the cover. Again, pop the fat bit at the bottom in first, and slide the clip over again to lock it in place. And there you go. It's all done.